Hey guys! Welcome back to another vlog. Sorry, maingay yung radyo. So yeah, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Sunday, August 28. August 28 pala, sorry. Hey, Trasco. Stay on your lane. Alright, so I vlogged today. Actually, matagal na ako hindi nakaka-vlog. I think 2 weeks na. So, yan. I'm vlogging today kasi nung hindi ako nag-upload ng vlog last week. Or 1 week lang pala ako hindi nag-vlog. May mga nag-ask, nasa na yung vlog? Nasa na yung vlog? Kaloka. So, yun. I will vlog today. As per usual, diba, Sunday, so I will be going out with Kenneth. Today, magmo-malling na naman kami. I think, mamimili siya ng stuff for himself. And then ako, konti lang yung bibilhin ko. I don't know. Gusto kong, bibilhin ko yung yung Biore na cleansing oil. And I'm looking for the cognac sponge din na ni-recommend ni, Sakri sa akin. So, yeah, I will be looking for the cognac sponge. Sana meron sa Watson's. And yun, kung meron akong magustuhan doon, bibili ako. Today, I don't know, siguro hindi ko pa na-upload yung aking full face Bobby Cosmetics na review. Kasi nakalimutan kong gumawa ng flash photo test. So, I used the products today again. Tapos, ayun, nag-flash photo test ako. Yun lang. Yung problema ko lang kasi is the BB cream is a bit darker for me. So, I look kind of like an Oompa Loompa. And I don't know kung okay siya sa akin. Totally hindi siya okay. Like, look, bibigyan ko kayo ng natural light. Totally, it is not okay. But, whatever. Itatry ko na lang iluga yung buhok ko. Baka mas maganda siya. And it's already 1 p.m. Past 1 p.m. Hindi pa ako nakakakain ng lunch. So, magda-drive-thru na lang ako mamaya. Kaloka naman tong tricycle na ito. Kakainis pag kumukuha sila ng pasahero like sa gitna ng daan. Like, why can't you go to the side? Bakit andito kayo sa gitna? Anyway, I missed you guys. I missed vlogging. And, yun. Medyo hindi nga ako every other day nakakapag-upload. Like, every 2 days yung upload ko ngayon. Kasi hindi ako masyadong nakakapag-film. Kasi maraming ginagawa. But, I'm trying my best. And, yun. Diba? Yun lang naman talaga ang importante. I did not use my, my CarPod ngayon. Kasi, hindi naman siya, hindi siya effective. Hindi effective yung aking CarPod. Kasi pang cellphone yun. Mali yung nabili ko, kaloka. Siguro maghahanap ako ng CarPod kaya, yung pang talaga. Pang camera talaga. Like, pang digicam talaga. Hindi yung pang cellphone. Kasi kung yung CarPod ko yung ginagamit ko, nahuhulog tong camera ko. Lalo na kapag medyo bumpy yung road. Siya. Kaloka. Baka masira. Hindi na ako makakapag-vlog. So, yun lang guys. Yun lang muna yung aking vlog. For now, bibili ako ng Jollibee mamaya. May Jollibee kasi doon sa unahan. So, ayun. Bibili ako ng Jollibee. Siguro fries lang kasi ando na si Kenneth sa SM. Kakarating lang niya. It will take me siguro 30 minutes. I don't know. Depending on the traffic. So, bibili ako ng fries kasi nagugutom na ako. So, mamaya kakain kami. So, yun. Sige. I'll talk to you guys later. By the way, on my lips, I have MAC Please Me. And the rest are like my Bobby Cosmetics stuff. Na makikita nyo in the next few videos. Si Kenneth, siguro yan nagte-text sa akin. And, yung kilay ko, minaw lang. Yung most recent video ko about my brows, yun yung ginamit ko. Minaw Brow Kit and Sansan Brow Mascara. Malapit na ako sa Jollibee. So, sige. Mamaya na lang, guys. We're here na sa SM. Magsha-shopping si Kenneth ng mga damit. Namimili na siya. Here. Yung sa akin, konti lang. Kasi tapos na ako last week. This is what we have so far. Abi ko denim siya. Dili din. Para maong ba? I think you're familiar with this. Yung laging suot ni Kenneth. Thank you pala for approaching Kenneth sa SMC site. Gut lagi.
3 lagi.
Ano sana? Tura de. What's at yan? Uy! It popped. Same kami. Naka-jogger siya. Jogger pants. And ako rin, naka-jogger pants. See? And I have this top na may tali-tali dyan. I thought it went all up here para sikat, uso. Pero hindi pala. Here lang pala siya. Anyway. So, susunod-sunod lang ako kay Kenneth while he is shopping. Nindot. That's nice. Hindi na ako sanay mag-vlog. Nahihiya na. My pimple is so big. May bago pala sa L'Oreal. And I swatched the foundations na bago. See? Dito. Ito yung gusto ko, yung pinaka nasa dyan. Topmost swatch. Isa. And the next one. I don't know if you can tell. Hindi ko kasi ma-point. What do you guys think? Okay lang naman to shade na yan, di ba? Yung nasa itaas. It's really yellow. That's nice. Nice. No way. Tapos na kami mag-shopping. Nandito kami sa food court. I don't know if you can hear me. Andun si Kenneth. Sa Master Shomai. We're gonna have some snacks. Because I feel like I'm gonna faint. Shomai. Shomai. Rice. Pancit. Bakit ang galing-galing ni Kenneth? Tignan nyo. Bakit magaling siya? Concentrate kasi siya. Oh! What happened? Ako mang i-video good. I-video mang good. Aming score. Bye, bro.
Video nih? Sige. Normal yung lapo.
Ano? guys, dito ako sa CR ngayon. Just finished watching a movie. War Dogs yung pinanood namin. Okay naman yung movie. Yeah. Hindi pa kami nagdi-dinner. Kumain na kami ng potato corner. Yung tera. Tapos busog pa naman ako. I don't know, magdi-dinner pa kami. 9 PM na. But for sure, si Kenneth magdi-dinner yun. By the way, yung baby cream, tignan nyo. Parang naging okay na siya sa skin tone ko, no? Bawda. Sige. Mamaya na lang. Dinner time sa aming usual routine. Jollibee. Lagi kaming nasa Jollibee, no? Basta lagi mag-vlog, pimita na sa Jollibee. Either breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Or snack. Jollibee. Yung sa akin is chicken with palabok. Kay Kenneth, kanyang the usual na 2-piece chicken. Walang extra rice today. Himala. Tsaka pineapple juice. So itong ipa ng War Dogs. We watched War Dogs. Basta yung movie. Gandang movie. Hi guys! I am home now. Yes, finally, I'm home. Bubuksan ko yung bintana kasi malamig ngayong gabi. So, magbibintana lang ako and fan. Para diba, tipid sa kuryente. Char. So, yun. Kasi ang lamig. Right? Ayun. By the way, may mga pinurchase ako kanina and then I will just include it sa aking next haul video. Kasi nag-film na ako ng haul, tapos hindi ko lang siya na-edit pa. So, I need to edit that, upload, and then may gagawin na naman akong other haul video. So, eto na, may napamili ako sa Giordano. This is actually my gift for my dad. I got him 3 shirts. Kasi gusto niya yung mga damit sa Giordano. So, yon, I got him 3 shirts for his birthday. Actually, birthday niya bukas. Tapos, meron kaming konting salo-salo dito sa bahay. Dalawa kasi yung ano niya, yung parang party. Hindi naman siya bonggang party. Yung first will be for his, like, family and friends. Then, yung second is for his mga tennis friends. Kasi, super hilig ng papa ko sa tennis. So, yon, meron siyang mga close friends sa tennis club, tapos gusto niya sila lang mag-celebrate. So, actually nakapag-prepare na ako kahapon ng dynamite. Tapos yun yung pipituin ko bukas. Yun yung contribution ko sa kanyang party is my dynamite. And kahapon pumunta kami sa palengke ng like 6 AM. Tapos ayun, namili kami doon. And then I also helped my sister with, I was the dishwasher yesterday kasi nag-day off yung helper namin. So, I was the dishwasher. And then, I also prepared my dynamite. Like, ang dami kong ginawang dynamite. Siguro mga 300 pieces yun or more. Like, dalawang malalaking rectangle na Tupperware yung na-fill ko. Tapos mga 3 layer. Yun. So, kahapon, I was really, really tired. Like, nakatulog talaga ako dun sa kwarto ni mama. Tapos, sabi niya, manonood daw sila ng movie. Tapos, sige, manood na kayo. Tapos, yun, nag-transfer ako dun sa other bed. Tapos, finally, pagdating ni papa, nag-transfer ako dito sa kwarto ko. Talagang latang-lata ako kahapon. Like, pagod na pagod talaga ako. Kasi I had only 2 hours of sleep. And then, yun! Yun lang yun, guys. That is it for today's vlog. Pasensya na kung hindi ganun kasaya yung vlog ngayon. I don't know why. Yeah, I think walang nagpapa-shoutout. I will have to check. Tapos may insert na lang ako ng other video clip. Pero, I think that is it for this vlog, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope na-enjoy kayo kahit papano. Kahit hindi ganun kasaya yung vlog. I don't know. Yeah, look at that. Nasira kasi yung doorknob ko. Tapos may malaking hole lang siya dyan. Where the doorknob used to be. Nakalimutan kong bumili ng doorknob. Nasa SM na kami. Nakalimutan ko pang bumili ng doorknob. Anyway, yun, nasira yung aking doorknob, you guys. Actually, nag-vlog ako last week. Kaya lang, sa last part of the vlog, medyo, ayun, nag-emo na naman ako. So, kasi may dumating na package galing sa aking auntie. Tapos, alam niya na siguro, yung mga matagal nang nanonood ng vlogs ko, siguro alam niya kung ano yung drama. Basta. So, yun, I did not feel like posting that or editing that. So, dinilit ko na lang yung clips. So, yun. Anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. By the way, kung gusto nyo magpa-shoutout, just leave your shoutout request in the comment section below. Tapos, isa-shoutout ko kaya sa next vlog. Okay? Bye!
Hi, guys!
Hello! Hi, guys! Meron na akong, wow, I look so ugly. Shout out to Liberty Covarrubia and to your hubby, Boboy Alama. Hi!
Hi, guys!
What are you doing? What are you doing? Ako isang babysitter today. I look so bad. I'm actually sick. Meron akong parang tonsillitis kasi masakit yung dito ko. I cannot film my August favorites early this month kasi masakit pa yung lalamunan ko. But I will try tomorrow kasi magpa-vlog ako bukas. Sana everything will be okay bukas. And then also hi to Linlin Bernardino. Hi! Yun lang yung aking shoutouts for today. Kung gusto niyo rin magpa-shoutout in the next vlog, just leave a shoutout request in the comment section and I'll give you a shoutout. Sige na, bye! Let's say goodbye na. Say bye, guys! Where are you going? Kumukuha siya ng makeup brush.
Hi, guys!
Hi, guys! Wow, makeup! You return the brush. Return the brush. Return. Diba na pang baby? Return. Yay! Very good.
Hi, guys!
Guwapa na si Pai. Guwapa. Clip. Nasa clip. Say bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Hi, guys!
Say bye. Naingat.
Hi, guys!
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. Finally, another makeup tutorial for me. A lot of you have been asking me for makeup tutorials kasi nga noon, diba, I used to do lots and lots of makeup tutorials pero wala lang ako inspirasyon. And then, I saw this